guys, so in today's YouTube video I'm going to be trying out the cleanliness morning routine because it's trending on YouTube and I also want to give it a chance. So yeah, now it's currently 7:15 as you guys already saw, and I have the list here of the things which I have to do, and I took it from Pinterest guys, and I'll also put it on the screen for if you guys want to see, and that's today's schedule. So the first thing on the list is to recall your dreams, but unfortunately I don't even remember what I dreamed yesterday, so I'm just gonna skip it and let's move to the second step, which is make the bed, and I'm gonna do it.
Color look up cause it's snowing in Tootsie. But for 3 years now you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy had made me, and she held it down so she got a Mercedes. No money record.
Guys, the next thing on the list is to have a glass of water, and I'm gonna be having some water because it also gives like a relaxation to your throat. So yeah, let's get some water and stay hydrated, you guys.
Tell my clothes no starch, please. Soon as you can come, please. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Friday your glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what.
So you guys, I brushed my teeth, I went to washroom, I did like a little freshen up things, but it wasn't there in the list, and I was kinda shocked because is that means they don't brush whatever. And the next thing on the list is to do some breathing exercises. So then we have meditation 20 minutes, and then we have intense exercise 1 to 2 minutes. Hey you guys, so the next thing on the list was to take a cold shower, and I'm back from it and it's freezing. It's freezing right now, and also from the morning I had a little sneezing, and also it was not a good choice. But yeah, I'm back from the shower, and now the next thing on the list is to make myself some coffee, but instead of it I'm gonna be making some mango juice because I'm not feeling like drinking coffee today. So yeah. Hey you guys, so I made myself some juice. So good, and it's way lot better than coffee for me. So the next thing on the list is to do some journaling, so I'm gonna be doing gratitude journal and bullet journaling. So let's get started. The next thing on the list is to make to-do list, and I'm gonna be making that, and after that I have to read, and basically I don't have any new novels to read. I have read everything I had, so I'm just gonna skip that as well. And breakfast is the next thing to do, and my mom is already made the breakfast, so I don't have to make anything for myself, so I'm gonna just have it.
Hey everyone, I'm Anam, Anjali's friend. I also have a YouTube channel as well as an Instagram account. So yeah, Anjali will link it down below. You can go ahead and follow me as well as subscribe me.
Hey you guys, so with this we come to an end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to do all that YouTube jazz, you know it. Subscribe, like, share and comment, and we are really close to 400, so make sure to support me in all the ways you can. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. And my opinion on this routine is it's really long. Like it's almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's kind of long for a morning routine, but yeah, and I kind of enjoy doing it, but the cold shower part wasn't the best. I'm still sneezing. So yeah, that's it for the video you guys. I see you guys in my next video. Till that, take care, bye bye, be safe, be in your home. See you guys next time. Bye, I love you so much. So make sure to do all that YouTube things. Also, I would be really